Oh, bye.
That's Nora.
Bye, Nora.
Nora is medium energy. And that's how she likes to play. Look at that. And then Tim is holding Noah, the brother.
Smile, Noah.
And he's, hi Nora. Oh, hello girl. Hi sweetheart. That's Noah.
Come here.
Noah likes to be held. He likes to be scratched. Noah has no interest in being the boss.
No. This is the favorite
He likes, yeah. But he likes to be held upside down like a little baby. That's what lower energy puppies will do, and they love it. Look at them, like a little baby. I love it. I love those little energy ones. And Tim likes them peppier. But I like them real sweet like that. That's, oh, I love it. My little baby. What, Nora? What? I'm gonna put the toy closer to the to Burrito desk so you can play over there, so you can both be in the video. And look at Noah saying, "I'm so happy. I'm just happy, right, and I don't want people to stomp on me. I just like to be held or sit close or sit on a lap. You don't even have to pet me. I'm good just being close." And Nora's saying, not me.
Not me. I like to play.
I don't want to play.
I like to play.
But when I'm done, I want to snuggle too. Mm. Nora. Oh, Nora.
Come here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're going to be, oh, yeah. You think you're the boss, huh? She does boss her brother around, but he doesn't mind. That's what lower energies, they don't mind. They'll just move over. If a medium or higher energy wants a toy, they'll say, okay, you can have it. When somebody else wants to share the lap, they say, okay, I'll move over. There's plenty of room.
Come out here. Woof. Come here. Come. You're so silly back here.
No, are those other puppies barking downstairs? Are they talking?
Yeah.
They want you to come back?
Something's going on outside.
Yeah? What's going on, Nora? What? You're not the boss of me. You can be the boss of the other puppies, not of me. Oh, yeah, you're not the boss. Mama's the boss. Breeder Mommy's the boss. Yeah, oh. Oh my gosh, she's so much fun.
Come here. Oh, yeah.
She's a lot of fun. But I like to hold her when she's ready to be held, or when Mommy says it's snuggle time. She's good about that. Oh, Noah. You're a little lap prince, aren't you? Look at you.
I'm good.
You're a little lap boy. Oh my God.
I can move around. I don't even have to walk. I can move
That's
around.
perfect. I wish somebody would do that for me. I would love it too, just being held.
Yay, I'm playing.
Yeah. Oh.
Yay, I'm playing.
And Nora, you're just having fun all by yourself. You live in your own happy little world, huh?
What?
Noah, you're so sweet. Look at you.
We're not making fun of you. It's okay. This is just who you are.
Oh.
We can switch hands and we'll be fine.
Oh. So Noah and Nora.
See the ears come up?
Oh. Yeah. What? They're younger than Lily's and China's and Crystal's puppies, but they are bigger. So they're going to be a little bit bigger as adults, but, you know, still really small for Chinese Cresteds. but probably on the larger side for us. Because the other ones are really puny, minuscule little pipsqueaks. But look at Noah. Noah's like, I'm still little. I'm little compared to other crested puppies. Ah, what's up? You're tired? You're tired, Nora? Look at that.
Playing makes me tired.
All that being held, huh? So, yeah, he'd be good for somebody who just really...
I'm playing.
Who works from home or is retired. Oh.
Okay.
All right. Yes, we know you're the boss of your brother.
You're so...
No, you're so gentle.
Noah's like, yeah.
Don't scratch his face.
You wanna play? Wanna play? Oh yeah, I'm playing, man. Wanna play?
She's gonna get that Chinese Crested doll look. She's like, I'm the boss of you. I'm the boss of you. Yeah, because if you did that to your brother, he'll scream, right?
Yeah. What? Where you going? Hello?
Okay, so can you put Noah down so people can actually see that he actually can stand and walk?
Stand?
There you go.
Yeah, I can stand.
Yeah, I can stand. Look at that beautiful little body. Noah's like, yeah, I could stand, but I'd rather
sit.
be held. There you go. There you go, Noah. Go explore.
This is high speed.
There you go. Shake it out, boy. There you go. There you go. It's alright, that's the phone. So that's Nora and Noah. And you see the difference in energy level. So Nora, I think technically Nora, you might not be medium. I think you're medium higher. Like right now, you're acting higher energy. You're really medium, but you're acting medium higher. Yeah. And there's Noah. And that's a lower energy puppy going to explore. It's okay, let him go explore. It's okay. There he is, looking for like, you gonna pick me up? Oh no? Okay. Yeah, lower energy, if you don't pick them up, they're okay. Medium, they're okay too, but they'll let you know that they really would like to be picked up. Higher energy, when they want to be picked up, oh, they're going to demand to be picked up. There's no question as to what they want. Whereas lower energies are, well, what would you like me to do? They're little pleasers.
You don't realize
and I love little.
It's just really slow.
And I love little pleasers. What's that? Oh, you found a toy to play with, Noah? Yeah, man.
And this is rough play for Noah.
But I love that. I like them lower.
Oh yeah.
I know you don't. I know you like them higher.
Yeah, slightly.
And then, of course, the ones in the middle are good for everybody because they can do it all.
Yeah, so all that rough housing. Oh, yeah.
Nora, Bean. Nora, what you doing? Nora. There you go. There's Noah. There's Noah. Hi, Noah. There's Nora and Noah. Nora, go see. Go see your brother.
We're actually playing.
Come here.
Oh look, rough housing.
Good girl.
We're trying to do rough housing here. Come here. Okay.
Let me see if I can do a closer up of Noah. There you go, so people can actually see what he's doing.
Nora.
There you go.
Nora, come here. Come over here.
There's Noah on the go. Woohoo! At high speed. Ooh, go lower energy doggy.
Yeah.
So Crested definitely have a, you know, fairly wide swing of energy level and temperament. So again, Nora would be like what? Medium, higher? I mean, I think she's definitely medium, but
right now she's
definitely higher, right? Medium, higher.
Right now, but normally she's medium.
And Noah is lower. Everything about him is just slower and gentler.
Relax.
And he loves being held. There you go. Look at that. Everything is slower. Hey, Noah. Hey, buddy. Let me zoom out a little, otherwise it's too close.
Wow,
there you go. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, with lower energy, you always know where they are. I mean, Crested, you always know where they are because they're always by you. You go to the bathroom, they follow you. You go into the kitchen, they follow you.
Come on. It's okay.
And they all want snuggle time. They love all the kissing.
Is that far? Come here. We're making our way back.
And zip, 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 zip. Zip, 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 zip.
Yeah. This is the trail I went on, yeah. This was my trail, right? And the tail is wagging. Slow motion tail movement. Here we go, slow motion.
Okay, say bye, everybody. Say bye-bye.
Okay.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye, Noah.